Hello guys, this is Defi and I'm back with another crypto video. Um, so guys, in today's video, I just want to look at the key things that you need to check out before investing in any smart contract. And with reference, we are going to use the Tron blockchain because most smart contracts are on the Tron blockchain. This is the chart of Tron. You can see Tron as how it is trending. It has fallen down, then it is coming. So for people who are trading, I think this is a good time to buy some Tron for yourselves. Me personally, I bought some in this dip, and so I got it cheap, and I started coming back again. So to leave that alone, um, I'm going to use a smart contract which is new. Actually, it launched a few days ago, and it is a high return smart contract. It's called Tron Art, Tron Arc. It is the one I'm going to use in my examples here. So this is the website of Tron Arc, and it is a high return, as you can see, 7.5% ROI. But when we joined it at first, it was paying 3.5, which was also high per day, and then it went on increasing with contract balances until it reached 7.5%, which is the maximum it can pay in a day. So guys, to look at the 5 key things that we need to check before investing in any smart contract, whether it is a low earner, whether it is a high earner, you need to look at these things, and they need to check out at once. There are 6 in total, and I'm going to go through them with you guys. So the first one is you need to see the time of joining the smart contract. When are you joining the smart contract? That is the first key aspect. So normally in these things, it is better to go in the early stages, because in the early stages, when other people when this contract begins to pick momentum, you are already earning, and by the time most people join, you have already gotten back your capital, or you are already in profits. So that is it. You should jump in as fast as you can, and if you have the money, you can invest big. So this contract, let me check on its tronscan here. If we are to check in the analysis here, it started on the 5th of July, as you can see. For me, I joined around here 7th. So I jumped in with a substantial amount of 10k, 10,000 Tron, as you can see here, and that one checked out. So that is key number 1, jump in as fast as you can. And then number 2, you check the Tron balance on the smart contract. Now by doing that, you don't have to use what is displayed on the website, but you just have to use what the Tron scan tells you, because you can't alter what is on the Tron scan since it is decentralized. Nothing can change there. So for this contract, I can't go by these figures. I just have to go to the Tron scan here and refresh it. So if you refresh it, it will be able to tell you the name of the contract, the balance in terms of TRX and in terms of USD, the number of transactions, and all the other things that you might need to know. So you also need to check the analysis of the contract. This is the analysis. By doing that, you're checking the trend, and as you can see, this is a positive trend or an upward trend. And once you see a negative trend, if you see a negative trend, don't bother investing in that smart contract. Let me do that by, I wanted to give an example here. Now this is positive. Negative, it will be falling. It will be falling this other side like this. So once you see a trend, a falling trend, first hold on to put your money there, and maybe when it starts coming up, you are free to put some money there. So that is number 2. Number 3, you have to check the source code, whether it is verified or not. Where do we get the source code? You come to contract on the Tron scan, and then you see it here. Source code is verified and it is a perfect match. Now there are some people who deploy smart contracts on the blockchain and yet they are not verified. So if it is not verified, it means that this source code here can be altered and the developers can rug pull you at any time. So it is better to invest when it is a perfect match here. The next thing or point, which is point number 4, is to check the number of transactions. You go here, you check the transactions. These are the transactions. By doing that, you check for the frequency of transactions. How busy is the contract? Now there are some contracts you find that one transaction was done like 3 days ago, the next one followed was done like 2 days ago. If you see such a trend, I wouldn't advise you to invest in such a smart contract, because it shows that people have lost interest in it, and that's why they are not active on it. So if you look at this one, the trend is not bad. It is not bad. And also you need to check for the withdrawals and the deposits. You do that by checking on this other side here. So all these ones which have numbers, these are deposits, these ones are withdrawals. So you check, you don't only check on one page, you can open another page and see. And you can also open these withdrawals and see how big they are. For example, let us open these two as a sample, and we see how big they are, because they might appear here as very many withdrawals here, yet they are withdrawing little Tron. So this one is 1,700. That one is okay. This one here, I've opened the same one. No, they are different. They are different. Let us open another one randomly. Let us open this. This is 63. Now this person did a withdrawal of 63 Tron. I think that's a wastage of energy, because they are going to charge you energy and also some gas fees. This one did 330. So you need also to check that and see the deposits, are they big, and also the withdrawals, are they big? How do you compare them? So if you are to go to the next page here, you can see people are depositing as people are withdrawing. So this contract is active in terms of transactions, and from my seeing here, they are balancing. If you look at this page, you can see here. So that is point number 4. Point number 5, you need to check their social media handles. Now most channels, they use Telegram, so you have to go to the site, and they normally place them at the bottom of the website. So let's check this one. This one has got the Telegram, so you can click on it. Now for me, I have it open here already. So this is their Telegram. You need to check how active are the admins. Are they responding to people's queries? So you need to check on that also and see. So there is no need of joining a smart contract where the admins are not helping out their people. And for example, if someone has got a problem, there would be anyone to help him or her. so it's not good sign of a smart contract. Then the last one is to check whether you can interact with the smart contract in case the user interface of the website is down. Let us go back. This is the user interface of the smart contract on the website. So this one can go off anytime. The developers can take it off anytime. So you should check whether you can interact with the contract when this is out, and you can be able to withdraw your money out of the contract. Now that one can be done when you check on the Tron scan. And the Tron scan, you go under contract, then you go under write contract, and then there are these commands here. There is the first one for investing, then I'm interested in this one for withdrawing, because all you want is your money out of the contract, so this command has to be there. And with the way this website was designed, if you click the withdraw button, now this withdraw button is inactive here because this one has got a timer. Now this contract allows us to only withdraw once in a day, so that if this one goes to 0, this one will become green, meaning that you are eligible to withdraw. So if you go to the contract here, in case this one is green, it will mean that if I click on the withdraw button, everything in my earnings here will have to go away. So if that is the case, you come to here under the withdraw command, and then you leave the 0 here because everything in the balance will have to go. Now this TRX here displayed is the one that is in my wallet. It's not the one in the contract, it's the one that is in my wallet. So you leave the 0 here and just click on the send button. Then I've forgotten there is a word which comes here, root something. Yeah, but it comes there. If that word comes, it means that the money has been withdrawn from the contract onto your wallet. So guys, those are the key things, 6 things that you need to check before investing in any smart contract. Yeah, and I'm going to summarize them in the description of this video. And also I'm going to leave the link of the Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel for smart contracts. It's called Tron Defi Battle, where we are going to be looking at all the things that you guys need to know, where to invest in smart contracts and so on. So this is the Telegram channel. Let me show it to you here. Tron Battle. It's called Tron Defi Battle. It has got only 112 subscribers. It is a new channel, but people have showed interest in joining it. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video.